Hello, I'm Engelbert Knagge, Senior Sales Manager at SOLUM. We are really happy to be here to meet our partners and customers and to introduce latest solutions and electronic shelf labels and technologies and demonstrate what they can do. So Newton offers an expected battery lifetime of 10 years. And today we have a highlight on the booth here. It's a Newton pack hook. You can pull your items or articles right over this label, so you don't need different hooks in your market. Speak with our experts and see our brand new retail technologies and ideas. See you at the Eurobaustoff Forum 22.